Hi, we're here at Vinyl Pro and we're going to be doing some headlights on this Infinity. I'm going to show you how to get these headlights cleared as new with our new clear coat from Vinyl Pro. So we're going to do this in 3 steps. We're going to tape up the lights, we're going to clean them with a special solution that we have to clean off all of this oxidation, and then we're going to spray our clear coat on top of this. Here we go. Removing all the oxidation. You see it's all dripping right off of that lens. So now we've used our headlight cleaner and we've removed all of the oxidation off the lenses. We're going to get ready for sanding and then going on to the clear coat itself. Okay, go. Okay, so we've already done our first 2 steps. We've sanded, we've cleaned the light, we've taped it up, and now we've sanded up to 1000 grit, which is the ideal grit for this clear. So we're gonna apply the first coat. Our first coat is gonna go on medium coat, and we're gonna give it 5 minutes between coats. Okay, so we waited our 5 minutes and we're gonna give it our second coat. This coat, you wanna make it a little more wet, so you can find your final. On there. Please remember, turn your can upside down, use the trigger until you get nothing else, clean your nozzle out, so that way you can put your can back on the shelf and be able to use it tomorrow, a week later, a month later, or 6 months later. Thank you for watching.